In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Twitch app on Android. Let's get you set up the safe and correct way. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app marketplace that keeps downloads secure and up to date. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to open your app drawer and look for the multicolored triangle icon. Opening the Play Store ensures you're getting the legitimate version of the app, not a copycat. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This brings up the keyboard so you can quickly find what you need without scrolling through categories. Go ahead and type Twitch. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. That's normal and helps you get to the right result faster. From the results, select the official app titled Twitch Live Streaming, published by Twitch Interactive Inc. Double-checking the exact name and publisher is important because it confirms you're getting the genuine app. You'll also notice the familiar purple branding and a large number of downloads and reviews, which are good signs that you're in the right place. Now tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading the app and then automatically install it. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. Using Wi-Fi can speed things up and help you avoid mobile data charges. During installation, you might see a brief note about app permissions. That's standard for most apps and ensures everything runs smoothly once you open it. Once the install finishes, tap Open. You'll land on the welcome screen where you can log in if you already have a Twitch account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Signing in lets you follow your favorite creators, chat in real time, receive notifications, and even stream directly from your phone if you'd like. If you're setting up a new account, take a moment to create a strong password and review any on-screen guidance to keep your account secure. A quick safety reminder before we wrap up. Always download Twitch from the Google Play Store. Avoid APK sites unless it's absolutely necessary and you fully trust the source, because those files can be outdated or unsafe. The Play Store version keeps you current with the latest features, bug fixes, and security updates. That's it. Simple, secure, and ready to go. With Twitch live streaming installed, you can jump into live streams, join chat, and explore new communities right from your Android device. Enjoy watching, chatting, and if you're feeling creative, streaming your own content.